social science, our pride. Karnataka class. Welcome to all my social science video class. Okay students, today we are going to discuss about 4 marks question answers from history chapter number 8 era of Gandhi and national movement. Examination point of view, this lesson is very important because from this lesson asking 4 mark questions. Look here students, here written very easy points and very important questions. See, first one about Subhash Chandra Bose. Question asking like, explain the role of Subhash Chandra Bose in the freedom movement, or about achievement of INA or achievement of Subhash Chandra Bose. These are different type of questions. See, answer, these are points, very easy points. See, about Subhash Chandra Bose, look here. First point, revolutionary fighter. Second point, known as Netaji. Third point, founded the forward bloc. Third point, founded INA. INA means Indian National Army. And fifth point, founded the Congress Socialist Party. Sixth point, he called for Delhi Chalo. Seventh point, he said, give me blood, I will give you freedom. Eighth point, he organized the Indians. Ninth point, he died in plane accident, aeroplane accident. Okay, these are all important points. Okay students, let us next question see. Jawaharlal Nehru. What are the achievement of Jawaharlal Nehru after Indian independence? Contributions of Jawaharlal Nehru, or what are the role of Jawaharlal Nehru in freedom movement? So here written easy points. Look here, first point, first Prime Minister of India. See, look here, second one, architect of modern India. Third point, architect of industrialization. Fourth point, architect of 5-year plan. Fifth point, architect of NAM. NAM means non-aligned movement. Sixth point, architect of India's foreign policy. Seventh point, architect of Panchashila principles. Eighth point, architect of atomic energy. Ninth point, architect of mixed economy. Last 10th point, integrated princely states to India. So these are all important points about contributions of achievement of Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay students, look here, next question, non-cooperation movement. Examination point of view, very important. Explain non-cooperation movement. What are the functions of non-cooperation movement, developments of non-cooperation movement, and effects of non-cooperation movement. These are all very important questions. And about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, the answer is same. Different type of questions are there, but answer is same. See, first point, Gandhi ji started non-cooperation movement. Look here, second pointed, boycotted elections. Third point, boycotted foreign goods. Fourth point, boycotted schools and colleges. Here, students boycotted schools and colleges. Fifth point, boycotted courts. Sixth point, boycotted the government functions. Next point, started national schools. Next point, encouraged the production of khadi. Next point, unity among Hindus and Muslims. 10th point, look here, opposed untouchability. These are all very important points, developments or functions of non-cooperation movement. Okay students, these are all very important and most expected questions. So you should write and read. These are all question answers, and we will meet in the next class with the next lesson. God bless you. All the best.